Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, as on the scheme, you can use the front wipers once by pulling it downwards. Next, you can use it in auto mode by pulling it slightly upwards, and the auto mode you can also adjust on this button located on the top of this lever. Then you can use the front wipers in low mode and high mode. To disable front wipers, set it to off position. Unfortunately, this car does not have rear wiper and sprinklers. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.